Guys, I just want to do a project share. I made an MD card for my friend Lisa, whose son is going to Purdue, and I just thought this was really cute, and so I thought I would share it with you. So the MD card is actually just this part with this little fray stuff, which I think is so much fun. I found this at Hobby Lobby, and I'm actually planning on making a pillow and putting this on the sides. I think that's just really cute. And the colors of Purdue are gold and black, so look how cute this is. I was going to put all three of these guys on the MD card, but it just didn't seem to work out, and I liked it with just the P. And so watch this. You can take these off, and these, if I can do it with one hand, are clips for your planner or whatever. So then you're left with the MD card that looks like that, and then you have three clips. So one really fun one with fringe, looks like a little cheer palm, and one with the Purdue engine, I guess. And I just put glitter paper on the back, and then Purdue Pete on the last one. And I made him go all the way down. One, because his legs were, most of his, well, half of his thing. And then I thought it would be cool on a planner, only this much would stick out so he wouldn't like fall off or anything. I thought it was really cute. So I made him kind of thin. I didn't put anything significant behind him because he's going to be mostly in the planner or wherever she decides to put him. So I thought that was really cute, and I thought that you guys might like to see it. So all I did was take glitter paper and cut it out for an MD card, and then I put this gold paper behind behind a black ribbon, and I just attached the gold piece with I attached the ribbon to the gold piece and then the gold piece to the glitter. Now I did use hot glue because glitter paper is really hard to stick things through, and then I sewed this on so that it would be sewn on the edge and it's not falling off either. And then I glued the P onto the gold paper, and then I took the gold paper and hot glued that to the glitter paper. And then I just took a regular MD card and attached it to the back with thick dimensionals, thick, oh goodness, what are those called? Just little pop dots. So I attached them to that, and I was trying to be careful to make sure that I left some room for the paper clips. And then so the paper clips clip onto the back side, just this, and not onto the glitter, because if you clip paper clips onto glitter, I don't know if you've ever done that, but it will sometimes take off some of the glitter. So I thought it was nice to have somewhere that you could stash them that wasn't going to ruin the card itself. So there we go. I just thought I'd do a quick share and show you, because I thought it turned out really cute, and hope you do too. And that looks red right now because I'm wearing a red shirt, but it is gold. I promise it's not red, although that would be hilarious because I'm an IU grad alum, so I could do put a little red on it. That would be funny, because IU and Purdue, for those of you that aren't around, are rivals, and they're both in-state colleges, and IU is Indiana University, and their colors are red and white, and Purdue is black and gold. So it's pretty funny. I should put some red on there. I won't, but that would be hilarious. All right. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.